Hey guys, so today we are gonna be playing Roblox right now. Oh my god. So basically, I don't know what I should play, but let's just go play Tower of Hell. I haven't played Bloxburg for a while, but it's still my favorite game. But let's go play private server, my friend's private server, because it's... Hey, oh my god. My gums are freaking growing. Yes, growing. And I am annoyed by that. Okay. So, wait, let's do full screen so it's gonna be better. Boom, amazing. Okay, I am on computers, so, yeah. Okay, how is that gonna... Okay, that is actually a little bit easy, but... Oh my god, no! Okay, that almost... Wait, what? No! Better keys, better run, better run. Actually, I like this recorder, this screen recorder right now, because like, you know, remember one of my videos, it was literally like the worst quality ever, and the worst like sound, you know. That's why I literally did this. By the way, I'm level 4. Not to flex though. Yeah. And my friend helped me to get some money and some stuff. This is literally so hard. Oh my god. We have to go to another server. Hold on. Oops. Okay, let's go back to another server. Ow. Couldn't you go in a public server this time? That literally hurts. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Tabs and... yes, thank you. But like, why did they speed it though? And plus, I don't know how to remove... Why are they speeding it? Ah! They're like, ah. Oh my god, that was... I fell again. Okay, so what are you gonna do about it? Lol. Okay, now that it's on speed, it's okay. And one person loses their money from the levitation thing, which didn't work. Oh my. Who the hell put the muffins in the fridge, huh? I did. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. Do. I did. X X X X X X X X X X X 0666666. Oh my god. Sorry for saying the thing. By the way. Are you serious? And plus my gums hurt right now. And I'm still making a video. It's because I just got a new recorder. I finally was able to say to please get a new recorder from my dad. Lol, okay. Finally. Okay, wow. That. Oh my god. Fast. Next time I will do a thing with a webcam. I've thought before, webcam was the best. Oh my god! Buy levitation, because look. Oh my god. Buy levitation. Buy levitation. Buy Buy levitation, yes, buy levitation so we could go there. Look. Oh my god. Buy levitation. What if I buy it? Like, just buy it. Yay! Yes, 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 yes. Oh, we did it! This can. Oh my god. Thank you for doing that. Oh my god. That's my baby joke. That's probably. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for the background sound. How did he went to the top? How did she went to the top? She looks like she doesn't have Robux. I want to donate her. Don't hate, by the way, but I just wanted to donate her. So what is wrong about that? Why did she speed? Bro, why? Are you kidding? Someone literally. Someone died. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. He makes pass for himself. I wish I buy that. Joke. Oh my god. Wow. OMG. Oh my god, finally. I'm gonna crack mine. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How the hell do they get to... No! They actually what? Good game. That's not good game. How dare they? Oh my god. They're like skipping stages. Okay, bye. Bye guys. Bye.